Welcome to a little bit of a different episode of Living with a Classic. No cars today, but a new workshop, or it's not really finished yet. Like I mentioned in some of the episodes of the S-Type, I'm not going to work on it until it's in the new workshop. And for the last couple of days, we've been, actually my whole family, me, my dad, my mom, and my wife have been working on getting this old building back here. Actually, it's a part of a larger building, a stable that we have here on the farm. This part I think has been, I think a pig stable, or maybe there's been cattle in there as well. I'm not really sure. Basically, so taking that and turning it into a car workshop. So let's go inside and I'll show you what it looks like now. And then I have some footage of what it looked like when I started, and so you'll see how far we've gotten. All right, so this is the door in at the moment. It's going to be replaced by a larger door so you can drive a car through there. And there'll be a larger ramp here, of course. But this is what it looks like today. Up here on the right, that workbench is going to stay there. Those cupboards are not going to be there, but there might be another workbench up here against the windows. Not really sure about that yet. And here is part of, you can see all the concrete that's been jackhammered away. I'll show you some videos of that later. Basically, there were 3 of these large piles. One over here, one there, and one over there where my dad is smoothing out the concrete that we're pouring. A massive, massive job. So basically, it's going to be one nice big smooth concrete surface in here. And here is a back door, which at the moment we're talking about closing it up and putting a window in there that I have laying around in the other workshop. Let's put some light in here. So it's actually a pretty big space. So the plan is that this space here in the back will be a space for a car that you can have in there a long time, like a long-term project. So the S-Type will be here at first, this way. So front over there and the back this way. This is of course getting removed, and we're getting rid of that metal pole up here as well. There were several of these that have been removed, and we put in new supports. And then over here is basically the size of a small two-car garage. So 2 cars can fit here if you just want to store them, or 1 car if you want to work on them. So basically the idea is you can have 2 cars in here that you can work on at the same time. And then this will be an open space where you can work on parts. You can put an engine there to work on it. And there will be tools along the wall here. So this will be the new workshop. Now I will show you some footage of what it looked like when we started. So this is the before, when it was just basically, there were some walls here like you can see. And it just looked a lot different. It wasn't a full-on stable. Someone had converted it into a small woodworking workshop, but basically done not much more than that. The first 2 days were just spent jackhammering away all the old concrete. But leaving it in place, and then my wife and my mom and dad and I, we all helped each other out just to actually remove all the old concrete. Everything that had to be jackhammered is now jackhammered, and we've returned the tool. It was just a rental. So this has been leveled off. That you still need to take away some of it, and all of this as well. But it's all been cracked, so you can take it away with your hands. So now it's back to work, basically mixing another batch of concrete that we can pour. So we'll be finished with the second spot tonight, and if everything goes well, we will continue with the last bit of pouring and concreting tomorrow. All right, so that was just a quick little update. I'll be back again, of course, next week with more car-related videos. There'll be another video on the XJS. But this week it's just been pretty busy. Been working on this, getting this new workshop ready. If you like this, I will put up more videos of when the floor is ready, when we're putting in more covers in the walls, putting in lighting, So let me know if you want to see any of that. Or yeah, basically what tools I'm putting in here. So let me know if that's something that you want to see in the comments below, and I will make another update of the workshop. Another big thing will be putting in that big door and putting in that window. So yeah, let me know if you want to see any of that. But until next time, I'm Adam, and this was Living with a Classic, a little bit different one. But I'll see you soon with more car related videos.